Hello, this is Abdul Wahab. Today I'm gonna show you how to make my favorite lotus dessert. It is too simple, and this is for people who do want to spend time to make something. All you need is plate, spoons, and mixer. And for the ingredient, biscuit lotus, it's called Biscoff lotus biscuit, and you can find its cream. Also Nestle, maybe we need half of it, or if, and butter. Then cheese, Philadelphia cheese. The most important thing, focus to find good kind of butter to give taste good for the dessert. And also, oh sorry, I forgot to mention the small peppers. For the first step, we're gonna put 3 spoons of the butter, and then 2 of the biscuits. Now we finished from mixing the biscuit with the butter. Guys, if you feel it doesn't come liquid, put more butter. This is the butter with the biscuit. We'll try to make it liquid, like, or wet. And now we take the one paper and just put in the bottom and every paper, and we continue. We finished fill all of these. Let's go begin with the next step. We're gonna put 3 spoons of the cheese, and the Nestle. I'm putting like 3/4 of it. Then we mix it. We start filling these. You don't have to put a lot. Like for this dessert, it should be like 3 layers. Like this. Now we finish filling these, and now we're gonna put the cream, the lotus cream, and we need to make it liquid. You can put it in the microwave or anyway you see it's easy to make it liquid. I'm gonna put it in the microwave until it gets liquid. Now see how does it look like. It becomes liquid, and then we start to put in the top. See, make it beautiful. We finished, and this is the final formation for the dessert. As you know, it has 3 floors. The first floor is the biscuit lotus with the butter, and the second floor is the Nestle with the cheese. And the final floor is the lotus cream. After that, we're gonna put it in the refrigerator until it gets cold, and I hope you enjoy it.